So let's look at problem 19. This is on page 360. We have x, or no, I guess it's a z. Z squared minus 7z plus 12. Well, the first thing we do is we make our parentheses. This is a trinomial, and we're going to try to factor it into two polynomials, or two binomials. So we'll break it apart, and we see our variable is just a z squared, so we know the first term in each of these is going to be z, because z times z equals z squared. Then the next thing we do is we look at this sign here, and we see that this is a positive. In order to get a positive number, we're going to multiply the last term by the last term to get this number. The last term they both have to be the same sign. They can either be both be positive or negative. So when we have a positive here, we look at this sign. This sign is negative. We're add to get this. So that means that our signs both are negative. They're both negative. This is positive. It means both the signs are the same. And this tells us that they're negative. Now we look at this 12, and we find the factors that we can multiply together to get 12. And for now, you can just write those on your paper. So 1 and 12 gives us 12. 1 times 12. 2 times 6 gives us 12. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Those are the factors that we multiply together to get 12. Now, we're going to have to add these together, and when we add them, they'll have to equal 7. So 1 and 12 is 13. That isn't going to be our factor. 2 and 6 is 8. That's not going to be a factor. 3 and 4 are our factors. 3 plus 4 is 7. So a negative 3 and a negative 4 is a negative 7. These are both negative, so that's our factor. Okay? So let's do number